My washing machine displays F34. What does it mean?
Hi, I'm Daniel and I'll be helping you today. I've been repairing white goods for 20 plus years and currently work for a well-known manufacturer. Can you post the make and model number, please? Regards.
My washing machine is a Siemens front loader WM14S392GB.
Hi, okay, thanks for that. F34 on your washer is a door lock fault. For this fault, it's usually either the lock itself, wiring to the lock, or the control board. Open the door and remove the outer door seal clamp and then unlip the door seal. Then you can remove the door lock and from there check the wiring. If the wires are fine, then usually on these it's more likely the door lock at fault. You can replace the lock and that should cure it. But there is a chance it may be the electronic control unit. So if after fitting the lock it's still the same, then the control board will be the cause. But that's what F34 means, it's a door lock error code. Regards.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.